Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at subcontracting order management. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of subcontracting order, creation and submission of purchase order, creation of arrival and arrival line, and then we'll see completion of subcontracting order. For creation of subcontracting order, we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with production user. Now for creation of subcontracting order, initially we need to create a production order. So now I have already created a production order. I will open that record, click on production, click on orders. Here you can see that PRO 0004 is the production order that I have created. So I will open this record. On the detail page, you can see status of production order is approved by design. Now in this production order, I have selected a BOM in which I have selected to be received from subcontracting field as yes, and the component that I have selected is of service type. So now our next step is to plan this production order. For that, click on plan button. As you can see, we received a notification as production order operations are created and subcontracting order created for SO0003. It means we have successfully created our subcontracting order. Now for opening the record of subcontracting order, we will click on the notification bell. Here in the list, we will click on the subcontracting order that have been created. Now our subcontracting order detail page has been opened. You can see on this page there are many tabs like materials, material receivable, production order, quality checks, quality check operation, and production order operations. So we will see whether our materials record has been created or not. For that, navigate to material tab. Here you can see our material record has been created. Now we will create receivable record. For that, navigate to receivables record, and then with the help of create button, we will create receivable record for our subcontracting order. On this list create page, enter name as SO0003 underscore receivable. Now select BOM line, enter quantity. I will enter quantity as 5 and then click on save and close button. Now our receivable record has been saved successfully and we are now redirected to subcontracting order detail page. Under the receivable tab, you can see we have created our receivable record. Now our next step is to process the subcontracting order. After we have processing the subcontracting order, our purchase order will get created. So now we will click on process button. Now navigate to Purchase Order tab. So you can see a purchase order has been created for the subcontracting order. Now we will open this purchase order. On this detail page you can see a subcontracting order has been mapped to the purchase order. So now we will further process the purchase order. For that we will log in with purchase user. Now we will open the purchase order record that we have created against subcontracting order. For that navigate to Procurement, Purchase Order. Here set queries as all purchase orders, and here we can see PO 0013 have been created against the subcontracting order. So we will open this record. Our purchase order detail page has been opened. Now our next step is to create purchase order line. For that navigate to Lines, and with the help of Create button we will create new purchase order line. Here under the items select the product against which we have created a production order. Enter quantity and then click on Save and Close button. Select Site, Warehouse and then click on Save and Close button. After creating purchase order line, we will submit our record. For that, click on Submit button. You can see our purchase order is marked as sent, and under the subcontracting order, a subcontracting order has been mapped. So now our next step is to create arrival against the purchase order. For that we will now log in with inventory user. Now we will create arrival and arrival line. For that navigate to Inventory, click on Arrival, and now with the help of Create button we will create a new arrival record. Select Date, select Site, Warehouse and then select Arrival Location. Now click on Save button. Our arrival record has been created, and now we will create arrival line. For that navigate to Lines, click on Create button. Now here I will select purchase order against which I have to create arrival. So I will select purchase order as PO0013. Select arrival, select order line purchase order, order line. Now click on Save button. After creating arrival line record, we need to select two locations for arrival. So scroll down and then select two location. I will select two location as AC 6. Now again click on Save and Close button. Now we will go back to the arrival detail page. Now after creating arrival and arrival line, our next step is to submit arrival, and then we'll process it further. For that, click on Submit. Our arrival line has been submitted and status has been changed as approved. Now we will process it. Now you can see status of our arrival has been changed as processed. So now we will check status of our production order. For that, I will open the subcontracting order record and I will now log in with production user. So now I have logged in with production user. I will open the subcontracting order record. For that, I will click on the notification and click on the subcontracting order. Now under the production order tab, you can see status of our production order has been changed as received. It means our subcontracting order process has been completed. So in this way, we saw how to create subcontracting order. Then we saw how to create purchase order against subcontracting order. Then we saw arrival and arrival line creation. And then after processing the arrival line, we completed the subcontracting order record. Thank you.